Hello and greetings from Music City. We are here in Nashville for the PMA Metal Stamping Technology Conference, and what an amazing event it is, with more than 175 people in attendance. This is the MetalForming Minute. So what's coming up in MetalForming magazine? For the March issue, we'll be covering pressroom automation, press controls, robots, and cobots for sheet metal fabrication applications. And I'll be interviewing PMA Chairman for 2024, Greg Boucher. Greg is the Chief Operating Officer of Ulbrich Stainless Steels and Special Metals. We're going to visit with him to learn about his plans for PMA in 2024 and beyond. Coming up in our April issue, we'll be covering hydraulic press technology. We'll be covering stamping of advanced steels. And then we'll also be covering in-die processes such as tapping and assembly. We welcome some new regular content contributors to the magazine who are coming over from Stamping Journal. So Art Hedrick, many of you know, he's going to be taking over the Science of Forming column. And then Tom Vacca also will be joining us from Stamping Journal. He's bringing over his Q&A column. And we hope you enjoy reading their articles in MetalForming. So there you go. That's the MetalForming Minute. And I think actually kept it pretty darn close to a minute this time, so thanks.